Good morning. It is Monday, the 21st of December. This is the last vlog that I'm going to be posting before Christmas. So you'll be seeing this Christmas Eve. So, happy Christmas Eve! By the time you've seen this, we would have already seen the live session on yesterday, the 23rd. So I hope you enjoyed that. It's really weird having to like address stuff that hasn't even happened but would have happened in the past for you guys. It's weird. I am sitting down at my desk this morning. I'm trying to upload, or have been trying to upload, my core tutorial to post to Patreon and for website subscribers and everything like that. I've been trying to do that since last night. It's now at 65%, so hopefully it'll upload like today at some point, but when it will go up I don't know. It's a day late, but I said that it would be up Monday, thinking that the Monday was the 20th, so I'm kind of on track for myself. That makes sense? Anyway, today I have to edit and voice over a load of stuff because I didn't manage to get it done Friday. But I don't know whether I'm going to get it done because James is no longer at nursery, so he is literally like running around full pelt. And he's not right now, he's upstairs doing upstairs stuff with Simon, but he's just usually just running around making noise, and I can never really get like something full done. So I'm going to try and I need to edit the video first before I can voice it over, so I'm just going to try and edit today's video, which is, I did put up like a pricing guide, but I think I'm going to do the leopard nose tutorial, so just a small tutorial on the leopard nose, which shouldn't be too much. And then tomorrow there is a macaw feather tutorial as well, so I need to edit that together. Then the 23rd there is a live stream, so don't need to plan anything. This vlog will be ready for the 24th and I can edit that, no problem, don't have to voice anything over. I need to edit something for the 25th, and then also need to edit another tutorial for Boxing Day and also the day after Boxing Day. So I've got 4 tutorials that I need to voice over that are going to be released in this next week. So if you're watching, I know a lot of people that watch the tutorials don't necessarily watch the vlogs, but if you are one of those people, then you've got 4 tutorials to watch. You would have already seen one of them, so yay for you. But yeah, I need to get all of that done. Kind of I'm not like stressing, but I don't want to miss a Vlogmas day. If I don't happen to get a video up today, then there would have been a live stream, but hopefully I can get a video up and done, but if not, it will be a live stream. I have 2 other videos that I need to voice over as well for next week, like the run up to January. I'm thinking, I don't know where my brain's at. Also, I ordered a bunch of new cards and some prints and everything, so I've planned out the next 3 months Patreon rewards. So I have literally just ordered everything that I need for those Patreon rewards. Then I've got exactly what I need to send out, and I don't have to worry. And they're done up until the end of February. So that's exciting, and I've ordered that. I've spent a ton of money on some new cards and all of that. I finalised the wholesale order, so we've been paid for that. So now what I need to do is just package all of the cards up into a box, send it off. I've had to also just restock some cards because there weren't quite enough for the amount that they've ordered. So I've just had to, with this last card order, just restocked a load of cards and just some more so that I have some more in stock anyway. So yeah, that is exciting, isn't it? I'm very excited. If you're in the UK, the shop will be in Wales, and whenever we're allowed to go back out, because I'm in the southeast in the UK and we are now in tier 4. We were allowed at Christmas to mix in all tiers throughout the UK for 5 days over Christmas, in like a bubble of 3. We weren't really doing any kind of mixing, so it didn't really affect us. But you know, if someone decided that they wanted to see us like my nan, for instance, my nan and my dad who live together, who are on their own, they might have wanted to come down and see James for a day or something like that. You never know. But we didn't actually like plan anything. We hadn't actually allocated our households because we're not really fussed about seeing anyone. Now, because we've got into tier 4, at Christmas we are not allowed to see anybody. So we literally are not allowed to go out and see any of our family. And that came into effect on midnight on Sunday. That's super fun. Also, the gym is now closed, so I can't even go there. So, yay. I was hoping to get some really good workouts done before Christmas. So I can just have like a couple of days of not having to worry, but can't do that. Can't go to the gym, can't go for a run. The weather is shockingly terrible outside, so yay. And all the other tiers 1 to 3 can only mix on Christmas Day now as well, which, you know, lucky for them. If we were doing something, I'd be a little bit more bitter about not being able to do anything, but because we didn't plan anything, well, not really fussed, but it's kind of like just a lockdown now, which is great. And we'll probably be going into lockdown in January as well, because no one's going to pay attention to the rules. Anyway, I'm going to get to voicing some stuff over. Those cards will arrive on Wednesday, so this vlog that's going on Christmas Eve will actually include a couple days, so you'll get to see some card packaging. I know you guys love to see card packaging for some reason. Like, whenever I include that in a vlog, it always gets higher views. I don't know why. Anyway, let's get on to that. Good morning. It's Tuesday. It's the 22nd of December, and I am just sitting down into the office to edit some more videos. It's just been non-stop editing lately, and I love Suki. I love video editing and doing like all of that kind of stuff, so it's not so much of a chore, but there's just been so much. And it's mainly because I decided to do the Vlogmas thing, and literally I've had nothing but vlogs and tutorials and everything to try and edit together. So today there is a macaw feather tutorial. I've done the voiceover, that's all done, so I literally just have to edit it together. So it's not too much of an issue. And then tomorrow there's a live stream, so I don't have to worry about editing tomorrow. Thursday, as I said in previous clip, there's this vlog, and then Christmas Day there's something else as well, so I need to edit that Christmas Day one as well today and try and get that up, or try and just get it edited and up. But I put in a print-in order for cards and prints for the hummingbird tiers over on Patreon Sunday evening, and they were dispatched yesterday evening, and they're on their way, and they're going to be here today between 2 and 3. So we're going to unpack those together because I'm super excited. I've got some new card designs, and I always love opening the prints and seeing how they look as well, so I'm really excited about that. And in terms of like what I'm going to be doing today and Wednesday, it's mainly just going to be video editing. I won't be doing any drawing or anything like that, so I don't know if I'll have any other kind of like words to add. There's nothing else that like I really have to mention or say, apart from that this cat is just non-stop attention lately. I have to keep tucking her underneath my arm so that she just stops wagging her tail in front of my face and just smushing her. She just loves to be smushed and to be like ruffled, and yeah, she just loves any kind of attention. As long as it's attention, she doesn't care what it is. So yeah. Yeah, I don't really have anything like pressing that needs doing or anything like that. It's literally now just chill down. Like, not chill down, sorry, Suki has pressed Siri on here. Yeah, it's literally just free time. Don't even have to be here right now, but I had a few Etsy orders, and yeah, I do have some videos to still edit. I do have one to voice over for Boxing Day, but I can always do that this evening, rather than taking any more time away from James. We have some games arriving, because he's really into like board games and he likes to play Snap and Pairs, but we've got obviously like adult board games, not adult board games, but like board games that he won't play because they require like strategy and actually thinking, and he won't grasp it or it won't hold his attention. But we do have one called Calico, which is basically like, if anybody's ever played like patchwork, you just kind of have to make a patchwork quilt and match the patterns to attract cats and add buttons to your blanket basically, and it's like all about colours and patterns, so that really interests him. So we've been playing that a lot, and because he wants to play it over and over and over again, it gets quite boring. So I have ordered a couple of other smallish board games that potentially he will like. One of them involves coloured dice and matching them on the board, which again is like patterns and colours and numbers and that kind of thing, which is what he loves. So hopefully they'll arrive before he goes to bed and we can actually play one. If not, he's going to have to wait until tomorrow, but I did say to him that they were coming today. Yeah, I also have to put together a Christmas Eve box. I've got all the stuff for the Christmas Eve box and everything. I just need to assemble it and wrap it up so that he can open it Christmas Eve and we can have like nice cozy times on Christmas Eve. And yeah, just have a nice time. So that's basically what I've got planned for the rest of the week, and then obviously it's Christmas on Friday, or tomorrow for you guys if you're watching this on Christmas Eve. Yeah, I think I'm gonna sign off. Yeah. I'm gonna film a few bits over Christmas. It's not necessarily gonna be like studio related or anything like that. It will be just over Christmas what we're up to. So there's a vlog out on the 28th. As it might not be very studio-y, it's just going to be like general life, just a few bits and pieces, what we're up to, things with the cats and that kind of thing. So yeah, I will see you guys on the 28th, because that will be the final vlog of this year. How exciting. Anyway, I hope you all have a good Christmas Eve, and I'll leave you with a few clips of opening these new products and packaging them.